I'm truly impressed with this Spin Mop. It makes washing floors so much easier and less of a hassle. The microfiber mop head cleans deeply, grabbing dirt, dust, pet hair, and sticky messes, and it's safe on all hard floors from hardwood and laminate to tile and vinyl. Plus, it's machine washable, and each refill lasts up to 3 months. The hands-free ringing is brilliant. Just press, spin, and the water stays in bucket thanks to the splash guard. The triangle mop head rotates 360 degrees, reaching corners, edges, and under furniture without any struggle. And the telescopic handle extends up to 4 feet, so anyone can mop comfortably without bending over. So whether it's a quick tidy up or a bigger cleaning session, this mop locks in dirt and even it catches over 99% of bacteria with just water. It's simple, it's effective, and really takes the work out of floor cleaning.